Guys, this is your boy with the entertainology with Jamanate. I just arrived at Madaga's house, and to my surprise, this guy is just organizing an engine of an S3 of it. Madaga is the best. Let me show you Madaga. Mana Madaga mana odi amun. Oh, nali pitch. Naira, Lydia man. Madaga.
Yes.
Urimbo. Utata S3. Maramuto muna amut. Oronya bari ishiri S3. But where S3 come here. If you know you own an S3, come here. We are calling out to you with this one. There are gonna be S3s, but there's gonna be this one. Ask that. There's this red Golf 6. You can call all Golf 6 in cars. Yeah. It was from here. No one can actually show that car flames. Munata. What do you vereka bosso? Guys, Munata, you know him. There's no way you cannot do Munata. Munata is on all these videos. Yeah. Come on. Guys, there's no car which we cannot do, you understand? Yeah. This is where things are happening. I'm so amazed and I'm so pleased. I'm so happy with. Guys, Madaga makes me proud every day. You know why? He fixes trucks, fixes Mercedes Benz. Now it's this S3. Guys, give Madaga a bells. Give Madaga a bells. I'm looking for Baba. I'm trying to check Baba, but I'm not finding him. The Jetta is not here. Oh, yesterday someone said he wanted to buy the Jetta. So yeah, I think that. Let me switch off this music. Yeah, yesterday someone came and they said they wanted to buy that Jetta. I don't know whether it's gone, it's sold or whatnot. But someone came and they said they wanted that car. So they're still gonna get another car after that one. Now let's go and check what Madaga is doing with an S3. Oh, this boy making me proud. Naira, you're busy with this S3.
Yeah.
The fastest S3. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the fastest S3. If you have a qual, come and race it. We don't talk qual, we race quals. Permit. Before we even race, we just... Before we even start racing it, before they even drive it, it was delivered. The owner didn't want to drive it. He said, before you can even be driven, Madaga. You understand? Already they are correcting Audi. No, Audi, we are not having a call with. Sometimes you think it's a body kit. So look at the speedometer. How much? 300. So yeah, it's the real. Yeah, Madaga is busy with an S3. So man, which car do man? Eh?
Your car.
My car. So for today, you are finishing today, or you are done?
Your car is very deep car.
This one, I can ace any. Even bring that thing. Bring that thing. But the jigari polelo. Uguto talon tusheja when no jigamu. Fresh breakdown by boni ilatra jipas creepers. When I come from over more channeling. But what it's about breakdown, you very video at what? Okay. When nobody allows a race, you might from more channeling you already. Guys hate him. This one. This is this one. Today. First race. Oh. Yeah, my boy is here. Brian. You remember him from that blue Almera? He was doing the broom, broom, broom. They were steam back. And him, he was the one who fetched this one there by the paint job. Oh, and we have Matamela there. Camera shy. Camera shy. Chelantwe. Chelantwe Naira. Guys, we got it petrol. We are going to race. Me and he. Me and this car. Cabarita versus Cabarita. Yeah. Abaton chisha ka dipolelo. Aowa. Engine ke relate ka ntho ready. Yeah. Yeah, reishi. Reishi.
Driver yona ke? Efe.
Hey te. Hey. Kialia. We got petrol. Well, Shadisha, when you go to the petrol, if you like it. I didn't give mistake. You could already get ready. I go on by wafer. Oh, this breakdown brought this car. Madaga is going to be busy with it. You, today. This guy going to chow it. Hey, chow it.
Yeah. Guy.
I don't care if they got new engine or new what. I want to chow it. This car we call it last one because I'm going to be in front and it's gonna be the last one. Don't worry, I'm gonna put this phone on the dashboard. It will record everything. Last one. No, lebise go le ja batho mo no sa belega go le ga go mo. Wena mo. Bolela ka go le ya gago. Bolela go le ya gago temo. Le monna. Oh, wena mulungisi. Yeah. LGTA. La bona le jay. Seta di step an naga. Go kry le mplene tso ntsie ja re race ye yo fela. Guys don't intimidate me with how this car sounds. Like because it does boo boo boo. Look at all this help in this car for it to just run. Lona ya gushisha. Lona ya gushisha ra mogo shiwa. Must start. Must go and show it. I'm gonna race this car. This car must start. They want to intimidate me. Imagine all of this, being beaten by this. Yeah, it has started. Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, what's bad? Let's concentrate. Yeah, I'm not scared. I don't get intimidated easily. Yeah. look at la nose. You're not scaring me. You're not scaring me. You're not scaring me. Ungwana. Guys, it means you are just a baby. You are a little boy. You can't do anything. Rubbish is what you've covered in the trouser. Ungwana. You are a small boy. You can't do anything. Rubbish is what you've covered in those trousers. That is rubbish. It's not broken. It must raise. Start it. Hey, start this car. I want to race it. Don't act as if it's broken. It's not broken. It's very well. I think it was making noise right now. It was making noise. Guys, I'm with Nata and now we're going track. And that is that in case that car breaks down. Mine is not gonna break down.
And the rock like I say,
Hey, Madaga!
She am not.
Emma! Petrol mo plaza. I'm gonna shoot them. I'll let me get sweat.
Yo. Kala taka based.
C'è la petrole!
Yeah, pause that.
Come on, come on. Yeah. Bafana wana nor ne ya chushetje. Ah, man go levan chalo ju with tech. Wana nor can scare me this one. They are amoebas, you know amoebas. This car Manata. Oh, can you wish you would ino rasa? Wow. Kore wena mononya go le ja rasa. Eh, tishantu yaga. 12 you. Are we? Now it's this one and TSWETSWANA. First race. Yeah.
Le tomaliaga.
Uriaga pele. When I race this shit. Come on and machila go nya.
Kaya kama sasa tinyaga go. Ubia ye. video mari ke bakan tu baka gar.
Achi malela mo fastarinya.
Hola, kupit din tan.
Ako na video niya na content. People must know.
Ito kalapon.
Munacha. Yeah, it's gone. Awa. Mana kafuni uyamfaka. Ya, ngichakuluisa. Orora ayinji.
Ayinji mina. Na wana kwa nencha.
Apo namba taka pick up. Nakola ke thomotsa maka 4.
Mo mutannete.
Amana my car starts being fast from 4.
Erge majar be. Erbe pele.
But MADAGA, my car starts picking up at 3, 4, 5. And when I pick up, I come 4, 3, 4.
Sile. Ape thoma ke timana mo braga. E thoma ke timana. Ane tsela felle. Are herbo. 1 2 3 go.
The thing is, last month we buried my uncle. I'm not fine. And he had such a car. You understand? So I'm not fine deep inside. I have to heal. You understand? So now I'm fine. I get feeling your hold.
Maraga mo le tseleng o tautsiwe. Ke mona ba tsamele thomo ke tsana. Mo le go tsa ngol.
1 2 4.
Bra ka mo bota, bra go methilo ba.
1
Ya to ka pick up e woni mar. E go le don. Ayo.
You will fat. Buffet. Boy.
Ayo chwa.
Yeah, sure, ben shile ne. You hit me, man. You hit me, you understand? This is just 1.3. But then I'm coming. This motivation, eh? Boy, no ska wana gola ba ishia wa kwa. Tuko tuna ba nchile chi. I started to challenge ya ba bad. Round 2.
E kujana on wrestler mpiang. It's so.
Next time, ask first.
It's so kill bullet.
Okay, I will show you. Hey, they showed me my bums. Hey, they hit me. I'm going home crying.